Okay, so in order to create the form for payment upfront, you're going to click the dots here, all the forms, and then let's just say you charge of the upfront and the email, and the first thing will be voting names. And I have an or and I have second not similar added name. So you're not really nice. And see, this is that the short also. Also name. And then it's ever never the last name. And with that one with fire. And then you do phone number. And that's going to be required as well. So here are your options: email, first name, last name, phone number, and then whatever they are selecting. And then we're going to link it to a sheet. And we're going to create a new sheet called Association Meetings. His requests. Okay, so now we have our sheet for a presentation request that's going to populate here. Let's go back to here. And then we're going to click here for add-ons. We're going to click these three dots. And we're going to click Get Add-ons. And put in payments. And this should pull up the payment processors. So we are going to look for, we want payable forms. And this will allow you to connect. So I'm going to sign into my Google account and give access, basically. I'm on continue. And then just want to allow access. And click done. And it's installing. And you'll be able to connect Square or Stripe or PayPal. Any one of those, you'll be able to connect and collect payments up front. And then you're just going to get started. Let's see for that. Wow. I didn't get the time. And review your settings, English, US, and me. You can pick your currency. The add-on, go to this little puzzle piece right here, click payable forms, and then you're going to select the first one so we can actually set up your payment processor. And it's going to take a second for it to load, but once it loads, you'll just go through each step to add it. Let's just give it a second. Okay, here we are going to getting started. We're going to make this form payable. I gotta come first. Auto configure the form. Let's connect to a payment provider. I'm trying to authorize. So this is the consultation form that we created. And then remember we added the add-on payable forms. So we're going to click that and open the pay. We're going to configure the payment settings. And just so y'all see that sometimes I have issues that I have to get bugs out as well and figure out what's wrong. So that's what happened with the error that we were getting on the last one. As this is loading, we will have you should have the payable forms process over here. So you'll go through these, auto configure the form and sheet. So it will do that, and we'll just go down the line. So we want to make sure that the email address collection, the response tracking, allow multiple responses, and added the payable columns. Then I just sync the theme just so that the way that this looks syncs with checkout. So again, it'll just go through and give you all the check marks. And then here we'll add the payment provider. And depending on who you use, that's what you would pick. So I think some of you use Square. I use Stripe. I use PayPal as a backup, but I would just click on Stripe. It will take you to, y'all know this process. Connect to Stripe, enter your email address and submit, and just go through that, and then it'll say connected. So let's see here. Let's see if I know my password. And then of course it texts me, give me a little text message. All right, and that's my Stripe account. So click there and connect. And it's returning me to payable. And let's check the connection status. And you can see it's connected. So there you go. Hope that helps. Let me know any other tutorials that y'all want. Thanks.